My dear students, good morning to everybody. Now today we are going to discuss about IPE or any competitive examinations, 2 marks or 4 marks, which is IPE or CBSE or IIT, JEE mains or NEET exams. It's most important one. How to find hybridization. How to find hybridization certain a compound, certain molecule. First of all, what I am going to discuss, you know very well, sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization. You know sp3 hybridization, carbon tetravalency, it shows tetravalency, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. 4 single bonds. Carbon undergoes 4 single bond, single bond, single bond. So tetrahedral structure, tetrahedral, sp3. If it is sp2, definitely carbon. We are discussing about carbon compounds. Definitely there must be a double bond between carbon and carbon. There must be a double bond between carbon and carbon. Then I can say the hybridization present on this carbon is sp2. The hybridization present on this carbon is sp2. Okay. If it is single bond, I can say that it undergoes sp3 hybridization. If it is double bond, a double bond takes place between 2 carbon atoms. So each carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. Another one is triple bond. Carbon contains triple bond, or carbon contains triple bond, or if carbon contains double bond this side, double bond this side. So if carbon contains triple bond, I can say this is a sp hybrid carbon. This is sp hybrid carbon. I have write sp. Okay, no problem. Again, one thing you have to identify, which is most important, that is, if this is a carbon, this side 2 double bonds are there, this side 2 double bonds are there. If carbon is being placed here 2 bonds, here 2 bonds are there, then the carbon is said to be, sp hybrid. The carbon is said to be undergoes sp hybridization. If carbon triple bond, that is sp hybridization. Okay. At the same time, if carbon has 2 double bonds on both sides, if carbon has 2 double bonds, here 1 double bond, here 1 double bond on both sides, then the carbon is said to be, what is that? sp hybrid carbon, sp hybridization. Okay. Another one, here double bond is there, that is 1 is sigma bond, 1 is pi bond. Here 3 bonds are there, 1 is sigma bond, another 2 is pi bond. Here 1 sigma, 1 pi. Here 1 sigma, 1 pi. So sp2 means you can observe 1 sigma, 1 pi. If it is sp, definitely you can observe 2 pi bond, 1 sigma bond, 1, 2 pi bonds. So let us go. You please note it. People generally will often confuse this. They will indicate this single bond. They will indicate, but here triple bond they will indicate sp hybridization. But in case of this one, people utterly confused, simply they will mention sp2. No, that's wrong. If carbon possesses double bonds on both sides, then the carbon is said to be, what is that? sp hybridization. Let us go for some examples. You know very well, benzene, 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 double bond, double bond, double bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, if you observe this, one, here the carbon possesses double bond, here the carbon possesses double bond. So this is nothing but sp2, this is nothing but sp2. Here carbon double bond, here carbon double bond, sp2, sp2. Here double bond, here double bond. So I am confident to say, what is the formula of benzene? C6H6. Okay. So in each and every carbon in benzene, it undergoes sp2 hybridization. Kindly keep it in mind. In each and every carbon, here double bond, 3 double bonds are there. So here double bond, this double bond applicable to this carbon, this carbon. This double bond applicable to this carbon, this carbon. This double bond applicable to this carbon, this carbon. So each and every carbon in benzene undergoes sp2 hybridization. Okay. No problem. So this is one example. You know very well, single bonds. Here carbon bonding with 3 hydrogens and another bond is with another carbon. So tetravalency is satisfied. Carbon is bonding with 3 hydrogens. I can write this carbon this way, H. Another bond is another carbon. So it observes tetravalency, only single bond is available. So sp3. Here also single bond, hydrogen to 2 single bond. In carbon, this carbon having bonds, 2 bonds with 2 hydrogens and 2 bonds with 2 carbon. So single bond means sp3. Here also carbon having 2 bonds with hydrogen, single bond with carbon, sp3. Here also carbon 3 bonds with hydrogen, 1 bond with carbon. So sp3. So one thing I am going to say, all are single bond. So the carbon is said to be sp3 hybrid.